The 2023 tax season is officially underway now. The IRS accepting returns. The deadline to file is April 18th this year. But there are some things to consider and changes to be aware of. I spoke with an expert about it all in tonight's Better Call 4.
Unfortunately, 2022 is another year of great change in both taxes, people's lives.
And Mark Stieber, Chief Tax Information Officer for Jackson Hewitt, says that could change what your refund looks like this year.
So there's a lot of change on the 2022 tax return, the least of which was the pullback on some of the credits that were put into place to kind of help people out at the peak of the pandemic.
That pullback, the child tax credit, dependent care credit, and earned income credit for singles were all reduced. There's no tax deduction for charitable donations if you itemize. And of course, there were no stimulus payments in 2022.
If you're same as you were last year and nothing else, and you enjoyed one or more of those, you may see a smaller credit.
But Stieber says tax returns and refund amounts vary person to person based on your situation.
On the other hand, you may have added new things, gone back to school, you or a spouse or dependent, education credits.
Or maybe you started a side gig. If any of these apply to you, you may qualify for deductions you didn't before. You may also see some extra cash if you received unemployment benefits in 2020. Here's how Stieber explained it.
Back in 2021, they changed the law after the year end, retroactive to the prior year. And to your point, they exempt the unemployment from taxation when typically, and even this year, it is taxable.
In layman's terms, millions of taxpayers paid taxes on their unemployment compensation for 2020 when they didn't have to.
So if you're due money from unemployment law change, meaning that you got it back in 2020 and you put it on a tax return, you might be due money.
Stieber says the IRS is still working to correct those returns, but if you haven't received that refund and don't want to wait on the agency to act, you can amend the return yourself. I have details on how to do that in this story on NBC4i.com. Now, remember, for more helpful consumer information, or if you need help, you feel like you aren't being heard, you better call 4 at 614-212-4444. You can also visit our website, NBC4i.com/BetterCall4, and tune in every Tuesday and Thursday evening at 5:45 to watch Better Call 4.